Hello, agus hiic na seansaí mas maiid seansa ghlacu ghlaciad na seansaithe. Is mis Jimmy go cheada agus mis moscaite ó bhí sean sé a chlog maidin. So tarlaíonn rud seo ó ní éirim tarsa éirim really hysterical agus sin crashing. So seans go Charlie seo a rí an tapad seo. Cé le bes Tá man seo marscra le chuid cólaciad le muid garger ar dúspáir tá seo le Áine bhuiir Áine Jimmer tleite.
Bumlan scrista tarsa. So tá mis hena hin ag an áin so béarm just bheith marachtal tríd an foiinniu atá agatsa as a brathirta le mé a chuineáil am gúiseach an seo mar caite ó an taiistla go rinne mé in é. So ní bheith mar le á gomaniu.
Is rud é seán is go duine bhhain go thuma an scrista an seachting in nuis. Tá just cógríthe seo agus sin tá just catcher ar drum we're just flat ar back. Is can't fin lad bín ar drum sig go minic tá seo fásta le James ó Labhraíonn James Jimmer tatu.
Yeah, bhí me go má to be honest go dtí like dain má maidin agus chuma agus bhí mar réit a breakfasta. Is mé fuma mó bananas, mó bloobs. What's bloobs? A lot of bloobs.
Jesus. Right. Blueberries.
What do you mean? Yeah, it's blueberries.
Who are you? Far from bloobs, you were raised.
The guy bug go South County Dublin. There's a fall Ray. The bloobs. The
blues, man. The blues, man. I should be raised of coffee. Egg, mon espresso machine, you know.
Oh wow, you were Gary.
Yeah. It's Grandma macht too more. Agus we just chut just going at it.
What?
Agus yeah, you should just ride on. Chut ride on. Motive mo. Agus we might like okay down. I understand na chun me fall in action. Agus na chun ein sim again van in them feel alright. I got him with the sunshine in the it's my rates of bloody freaking coffee air mod. Please.
Are kind of like the X-rated version of Aristocats a bhí agus a tíomh week that the Disney uncut a bhí tíomh week the accent. Sin crazy. Sin mental go sin tíomh week. Like in the Virgin like na ar an stretch.
Yeah, just a short thing. It's a when you go like it's just a driveway like someone like
I'm telling you.
Well, you're a sexy driveway in our father, so they might as well have spoken at it.
I'm telling you, the exhibitionist fetish in the kitchen. Shinarod. Fish the guy go by the echo. Is it go file dogging if it's kitch at a colleague? And he shouldn't die no bridge, huh?
Catting.
Oh my god. Milsta. And instant been saoire. I kaima to my Gary Falmanish and gas or fad. I feck him go the low knocked go file. These two chat trash.
Well, ní ró mé an le Killian.
I thought he would post it. I thought he would send it.
Oh man,
overnight
epic.
Yeah. No, bhí mé is via sa Spáin le má wam má antín as má chul cethir cos bhí mam seaca mlína so bhí girls trip again. Yeah. Aonta jazz bhí aimimseir fuorfa fi seaca má an lá. Muid go cadí cean an lénta le dul sná agus bhí mór bí deas a gin during bí go leor an bí ní chuach sib se láhar but tom se sásta trí the winchas rather be.
Tá mis like famously an is bradam a buntrial as ein rud atá aspa chóir. Débit gíise?
Just like sluggish éagsú agus
oh hell yeah.
Like more cinna legs le éasc ná tríal buinte go más anna like tá cuttlefish ó blasta. Tá cos le calamari ach níos delicious. James is like
No, bhí calamari am hana. Bhí fried calamari am hana mé all bhí NJ1.
Yeah,
that's was a road trip agus dus ma I'm on my holidays so in chéad stop for months le breakfast for me mimosa agus calamari. I say go chama like 10% go budget go on the chéad start like go road trip on route.
The etch fried calamari bell darish leis an bike rental bhí má gobarón so dí me si calamari le carfa gala. Is it ein rod? I literally ein bí is brand like BLN agus ma ekermod nachhorgum rive le éiche.
Níl an taithí seo agam sa láta a chuirbe am ar bí go Jane winne ba chuine dinner le chéile ahan uair. Cad fish and chips please.
It's cause sin an béile is fearlam, but má táma aon áit eile. Like chuime never ma hí go their voices with my hain agus Macara Kyle chuime sé out of the blue bíalan atá hí sa dain agus an rud an na ahraíonn an bíalar a hanna le agus nílón a could be rud a tagan na sta ón aige basically like could be rud a bín ar an bled so bhí like flounder na place na like running be like kind of the flatfishing or whatever and be shot unreal so yeah no spread sin anu it's just that the gra also the grad North imaging dolma like hella Áine it's ihe ma so the gra it's like it's
usually like, Supermax rapper means like Hugh
yeah Darla James it's like Ian Hugh wang chicken fillet burgers like the country
oh Hugh agus a chud snack boxes
oh
nom. Ag dé fao like túna tartar amach sin a go it's like hiasc áh but tá sé có blasta í sin like hoplam sin í ahanana bhá
oh yeah kefa
hiig me a túna ní hiig me a tartar
de cos le sushi gearan siad susa áh agus tá sé measca le avocado de gra agus an siad sort crackers dut le é scúpal.
Oh yeah, cause Joey as friend. Tuna, good. Avocado, good. Good.
Tartar, good.
No, Niro sushi di am though. So
what?
No.
Oh wow, tá obair le genu gun.
Jerry shot him a breithlá.
Yeah, okay. And he rib the rella and with dulf gunny sushi in Malia.
Yeah, basically.
Tá sé nom Mario cute.
Yeah,
really I know, yeah. Like it Toma like smart trade wants to be a weird like Nima is rank like Dima snails like frog legs all that shite like I don't know like Rudy Nachwell cooked scare me.
Okay, well higlet is cocoa alan higlet like prawn oil no higlet mixed tuna.
Okay. Yeah, it's a good thing.
But it's
good thing.
It's not that unusual. Like tá sé an mainstream the weenie sushi and it's smile buna gahan the neck.
Mainstream
especially my bug about like I need to get this down like I don't think walk my down go to date raw she get a sushi on and then miss chin like cocker main for 45 minutes straight.
Bright lights of Valia Clea. You don't want to be invited on a sushi date.
No,
God loves only Tarling I live so you know kaito
what a couple okay James tá asna ínta sushi ngáú caiimiid tríhaintach so má agan tú.
John the Yanwood James Jenny Virginia like because he got felt like platters all war he got felt like tugging should like sample that basically 100 ditch whatever agus Jenny much rod agus you're because he's a Michigan Jerring a hand rod attire or in plata but my flag was like Kendall Wayne the gackin that's it agus beit an trial as a handkin the fact out kinkin is fair lot.
As Hoagland all got gohfuil like ramen acu cumai so nachhfuil tú go homeland just you know not will tú just a brat or lá ó sushi bun daning
sorry the shot cost look go Gary like our plastic lock about like you know like ruddy saku fiausu like no it's been not like get the piece of book it's just about agus na you know the mommy start to give them lots na ni fiart
as ma been plaque goána go tú much fucking ice cream in
yeah.
Murphy's ice cream though. Customer Murphy's ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh, because hot chocolates and an Aztec hot chocolates be not good. We'll see if we show.
No, I've image cream ed Gada. Cream ed Murphy's ice cream and then Murphy's a pub. So then what ice cream August Pentalab on. So
oh yeah, and you heard me for Jar going and Dutch and Dear Connectlin Hilla.
Yeah, what's now them brown soda bread. Ice cream.
Brown bread ice
cream. Guinness.
Yeah. Nasty.
Could you feed gazpacho Russian revogus?
See, that's just soup. Food though.
Yeah, but that's a sort smoky agus like Lana Garliog and like tugging she dish like a cocktail glasses. All like
cost that Bloody Mary. No, they were
yeah, Níl spun English.
Was that why couldn't just chin Was that chudach tú an brown soda bread ice cream she's a Guinness agus I tasted it to it. Was that like this is a new flavor agus Murphy's much bigger hoja wem agus much bigger animal taste of the Torah because shin is like chun Torah brown soda bread agus Guinness.
Depressing at all.
Mohian se ggóil corp sa seamarlumm. Yeah, this is a really tasty.
Sin an cé margiocht le teach amachchan sin James.
Clearly.
Yeah, obviously for tú idechas ínta.
Hey, Murphy, like Murphy's like sign me up like.
Cur gléich arm. All right.
Cur gléich armsa much bigger flavors new ice cream in it because I got some ideas.
Good sin gas. But on Rowan Aztec hot chocolate no good real. It's basically generated hot chocolate, but current should like align like spices is the faster. So like all into it and it's mohin like with the chin just kind of like play school.
Like chili is cinnamon on no
like cinnamon agus like cardamom agus like Nelson Kane the yellow, but like mohin shot like it's a Costa coffee basically or whatever. It's a Costa coffee like on Palestine but the Roshog with Rio whatever where it's literally just like current to the line spices the road and it's jazz cocoa jazz.
Rose can grow to co like artisanal could you blast me
the rare there to my like a genu stuff do hey to my aunt simply whatever like it's come like as long as go will running out in the wall like to my sister. But like no he's insane rut to me like bevradum of it and picky bevradum like gani he act chips like shouldn't rather when you're take my everyone is all I get agus to my like no came up on trailers and the road
go lia agus dear to inta adventurous.
Well no another Harley was gur wog ma go le tricamin agus vi ma chap ma car and tamar fad le haid jingar agus vi sha ag genu vi moher sige ag genu glossary and tamar fad like near my glossary like shot ke blogs vi sha near my own glossary when I pretty agus the jehar nís oige I think it was like jahigan nam Lena jahigan nam agus dúirt moher le leis tá admugus hiúigi hi glossary ar fád sacu so caiite si dí hi fásta and I was like shite okay well caiim an ish because then they my trouble I'm telling you listen ainta artisanal ainta do you know too much actually this is going to rag with shaw gas and yeah if my cans le gang agus too much can't fi genu sira gajin splan fásta le all like Marbella I fair lot gassy anu Kane fa a rahamage go Marbella.
Stag.
No.
Routine says in the Peladon.
No.
To pay two canoe gore Holland.
No, that was Urwine award-winning choir singer. Gas. Netflix documentary Shotgun will.
Marbella will Bowes go on le hey pre-season nursings.
No. Marboya though imagine sorry the witch in classic crack. No ní he.
Well to do like curry cheese chip of blast engine definitely.
No. Tá se wad níos nairach na sin.
Oh god, I need this one.
And it's not wrestling or hurts, by the way, just so it's third match now is like.
JL the fuck is in the first and that done man.
That the Pukasus bionic.
No. Although tech and that
yeah.
For my can do and journal. No, and fly to gal sheer na goal Arasan ag ken on the Gesai I mean a genu Dungeons and Dragons lin agus vi mu canch fui ag dul is cha Haig and Arasan chun an cléthe a creitniu like sorry that I think that go the gurker and fish quite be real ass because much tafa jog and because James I'm Gary and can put their locku
getting that shot
but vi mu canch fi basically genuinely like shocking omla D&D is the in villa in Marbella so like you see like her in balcony let the dice near font or whatever we hear in Trar Magine Ho chill I think that class I think there's
need to gun an arsan agad
oh fuck I'm magic Tom like punch egg but like the jinger or whatever
Ceacha fáda is a dóginn se chuthe D&D immers.
Brand se so cá bín si like tá cinine imar ágamatá like ceair like dheabhar fad go imar ágamatá like ceair na chuig uair fad. Tá cinine is like glocking to see like brisú like bring Virginia like lie omland over when and it was like when Jean shot I think you're hosting like a dóig chuimiid ré go dtí like a ceair lochmid sauce and then chuimiid range and go dtí an chuil na ige.
Ag maim an darló seo má imrinn sibh an airtin D&D go rahí sibh le crackáilt as Jenny sibh dearmid cé an fear híal a támuidjin mar fé sibh có consumed leis na scéaltaí fantasy seo.
Bé just cáilte be me se teachtaháile i capú gur le dragon mé atá é gogu allhór
den like Bender D&D Bender go bonú sa.
Basically, yeah.
Binge D&Ding.
Binge D&Ding, yeah. So is a sin and like the mission really Gary and but I think of it a class crack.
Mi dé that what benders has been ag sleeper as acu way ódachan. And then be this fekel warlocks agus like hobbits agus should e do humor me grotú cancel home le dini a vi mar ag immers mar warlocks ag hobbits e D&D.
Agus tá ré leis an áhar sinna dhéanú. It's thógan gur there's two hobbits actually because tá hénig is sure than the lads ag genú marathon Lord of the Rings where can saoú can their shields these the lighthouse symbolic agus tiispan the extended editions are fad a lá so tossing cha
Tá in a law in a umla.
The extended editions are fad tossing cha ag jailog sa armagin jailog armagin na hinigel for armagin agus cretan cha ag like a hinhog san líe. Been a reach been brushu on either in the scan on their fad, but yeah.
I think of what Niakim Lord of the Rings real.
What?
No.
Niakim ballack like treated goni Jenamira.
What?
She's treating rud leg agus irim co board in a like and Dara see an extended editions like dad and Shoswale so treating Dara can irim co board. I'm like, oh.
I would say hasi leis an extended edition because that's Quigger that's Ghana, you know, like that, like Kaitive size, you know.
Yeah, I mean, just
like Jen the Grek in her dudes, and then Matas and Mugadon, then Jen the extended editions.
I just think on Harry Potter and he's fair, but ní much an Aragorn sin a hosu.
I just think you're uncultured. I think
so unnecessary.
Yeah, no, I think it's necessary. But yeah, shouldn't plan. So ag punch ag an sa saoir tá Gary an saoire seo dhéanú and I think tá like na série a tá Gary genuine saoire seo I think was an cosú lumsa but like ní bhéine Gary ní bhéine máilhuiad ag anything eile like tá féile all-war emo/skateboarding in Manchester inis ag dearú mí meitheamh agus tá smíniú ar dul don le bhain like ar an dónach feicáil na emo bands ar fád is fearlumm sa dón ar ihhain and then I dul sí go London agus feicáil an ban bhain ag sinne mar an sahar nachhuaach an eáil ar an dónach in Manchester. So, but I can't really sell that to anyone. Like, oh yeah.
Just shocking lads, but ní an hin counterbeat in a himachtaí sin just rahanse I bud salt as a gahar.
But this in Manchester you took mission wall like Lasuli do is like, you know, allow burst is like I did waiver she knew like all the chat like I feel like Lorel like ní any my in Lochtar or an féile seo.
Ma hagan duna like tattoo dude the himperste.
Yeah, well I think it's because being just in like warehouse all war agus been like skate parks simpler and road. So mas rud go to clock with the skateboard is my hitching to and you fair that really rare. Garbation and lochter like, you know, higlash in the tower day like higlash in the tower day ending but again I'm caring that then Killian Shaw mata to the moshpit na mata to the it's slow all more agus been dingy a caillou tain as an statue go be yeah rock and roll baby.
Oh, rock on.
Rock on.
Yeah, but I think oh my god I think like a bunch of shot I'm just gonna dull looks like Harrison book in Manchester. And then not kai ein amsty on just that's the kai in the welly basically.
Sounds like such a fun holiday.
Dúsa would be the best holiday ever. It's
Each
like
to their own.
it's like Tá Gary Leo ma na Áine had done the banny shot because you're gonna be like these aren't real. Like ní hé seo fear banny shot well actually you're sure. So ar an dónach tá American football, soccer mommy, Thursday, hot mulligan, Joyce Manor, movements, mannequin pussy, the hotel year, fiddlehead. Seo aim do ban a ref someone seo. The world is a beautiful place and I'm no longer afraid to die. Angel dust, harm's way, incendiary, teenage wrist, gouge away, sweet pill. I'm telling you.
Seo just like sampla eile do nar you're in Hugh Bonnie Knockalisgan and it just sounds like focal randomach catch le chéile nachhfuil ein winse coolla na chéile riú.
What are you talking about?
Bach imri an in is that was a criminal teenage wrist.
Teenage wrist, that one got me. I won't lie. I shouldn't kind of scanner.
Yeah, no ní éistim le teenage wrist. Go fáil ach gin féile seo be mai géisi lá. No, and na cin níos mó am so mór leis ná American football agus movements agus the hotel year. Sin like na banna cheáil Harlem go le bhéin sin.
Segway go dtí bhí hiú ag gcéire chart a chuirteach go na albums is fearr I riamh so actually basic na éistóí rions go na daoine atá sa diste seo.
Sin go sé actually gofuil more than a album an cótínta.
But the red nachhfuil mannequin pussy or an list seo the kinse nachhfuil shit.
Teenage wrist, no?
Teenage wrist, no?
Tá just I capo nach achman anim sin. Listen, ach look, like Tommy sin an I make it. Look man, shout out look man. It's for a hat trick. So Europa League final raid, okay?
Oh my god, stop. I wrote them to play that goal and Apple Music 100 best albums am way agus I'm not going to bring the fernig Apple Music with search rud the la an alientory Pharrell Williams, J Balvin, Maren Morris, Charlie XX na mas agus yeah tá simul ain't tá album on gur aintium gur cheart go méisi there an list sin ach neall san áir do bhfuil siad agus fásta the couple cin bhfuil má like cén foiil bhfuil an album seo agus also the couple cin neall san cén foiil nachhfuil album ar an liste but tá aon duine a chaile an top 10 well an top 10 ó go sin Áine.
Tá obviously ní raimid tríd ahanana le album mar go bhfuil céad an as sin meach me am win as ní bheith sibig daoine sin na cloisiil ach an céad Jack an bheic si de league sort a rólas ag daoine is do bhilm so actually bhíorta chu gom na dúsa iver hain no an ceartm tus lever Jay.
Yeah, ever Jay. Yeah, you got to do the descending order. Yeah,
I'm a dollar ash. So the mid cost of every day. Well, just ní hílam gur ceir go Beyonce is the top 10. That's just my opinion. But
ní might have Beyonce though. You
well, it's Milam Destiny Child and it's a Milam stuff and Lua Beyonce. But ní make co-crackle to find stuff or so Beyonce lemonade.
Just go on interview. They just hate us because they ain't us.
So true.
Yeah, true. Well,
peanut butter and jelly.
Hain Jay-Z to me kind of sauce and not me shit out.
They just peanut butter and jellies.
I think we'll lemonade class. That's my hot take.
Okay, well, agree to disagree.
Yeah.
Iver ní bhí seo ógam hain as mo dhearr fas níos, never mind Nirvana.
Yeah.
Sínam gur fiú sin bhar lista. Fiú just don cover art that I Godi
iconic.
Cean na cin is fearr walking with riú. Cean an ábharach faoi láthair Back to Black Amy Winehouse ní an scan an over.
Yep.
Céirt an sin sib sugar ceartí best the top 10?
Yeah, tá simú le daoine mór sin. It's like I hain agus daoine it's like Jeff Buckley agus na daoine tá mar sin a tá cho you like einarach like ní ro ein dinge eile ar nó Amy Winehouse on the gan sin so and I think fast the album it an táhachtta leis cóhex an album a chur an nugus tú like ag chur an rank le cheile, cén dóir hánig se le cheile go dé Harlan like faoin duine sin or whatever. So I think it Jeremy like icónach then yeah, absolutely caiithú like, because neall so good like saoí cad mé genta ici dar roshi go fáilin. So I gotta think we should more parts than than Ramsha that it was like an impact or an culture, which is actually in foie the gurn and kin Ellen Yesha ever shock the gurn shot arm and Machin because ever shock is Good Kid, Mad City la Kendrick Lamar album a tema gafalis macríon ach Nero ein léirda to Pimp a Butterfly ar an liste album atá like a one like Pulitzer Prize as in like what we sha gradam more literaachta the where ar keiko cuachta is keiko ledgers visha agus an rud a Harley ganam go ganam ceirna le BLM is mission like nervision vision gomor a melphobal agus an album cuachta seo agus ní even fewer an liste agus tá album eile an liste that probably gearing nar carcaméir an liste. So yeah, I mean it's Bradham Kendrick Lamar, it's Bradham Good Kid, Mad City, but I just think Lishan Kinshin it should have been To Pimp a Butterfly.
Okay.
My hot take.
And Kate Canella, Songs in the Key of Life, Stevie Wonder.
Bangers.
Yeah.
Nothing but bangers.
She don't go back in as her disservice gone Stevie Wonder in the top 10.
Yeah. So
no, James.
It's full of James Stevie Wonder famously.
No,
it's full.
I know Stevie Wonder.
Yeah. Actually kin na daoine bhhain a bhfuil album ige ar an liste nílach chuigear I think.
Version.
Beyonce to Birch acu, Beatles to Birch acu, Prince to Birch acu, agus Radiohead to Birch acu, agus Stevie Wonder. So
Sim go an tiltte ag na daoine.
Hallie yeah.
Caihínis go tusa iontas as faoin Kate Canella seo iver chuig blonde Frank Ocean. An mhaín tusa mar fan go bhfuil an chuig watch tiltige.
Yeah. I mean there are mar na albumí ar an de taobh dá like na albumí atá ó hín gotí ceathar agus na albumí tá ó sé gotí céad like tá má sásta leis natural sin like obviously mu se an cléanta mar gurbéin album is fearlam Rio but well actually I think better my géisi reach leis an kid ever hín and I think it's leis an gar idir an Birch acu the album eile ar an liste atá I would say to like 3 album atá me like go homa gafalogs tema like blianty and kind of more ever quick at all which is Voodoo la D'Angelo blonde atá give her quick agus and sin ever hín agus my Gary spoiler or value but yeah no I think like obviously Duhane it's my personal like ever hín ever at all but yeah I think it's a co-hex shot fair enough.
Sílam leis an céad ceithre cin inis gur cinníd go raibh daoine súla bheits an áitin like they're an obvious choice. Purple Rain, Prince and the Revolution, I give her a cahar.
Yeah.
Abbey Road, the Beatles, give her 3. Thriller, Michael Jackson, I give her though. Like ví sa gwyn go mec si sin snahatchin sin. Will she just go stand alone as iconic? Mar album is co-called.
Yeah.
An 18 shivsha leis na rawan sin.
Yeah, and anything leis an ord faster like I definitely cool like I think Shannon rud did mean and made us more constant on listen to Ruddy Shaw is an order tagging Ruddy is like but no I think like Betcha Crackage gan Ruddy or no Sabi Road na thriller her core their listation I mean literally na album me is Kyle Rio so like if you're
it's like dar like you want in cool but like dar shit pop culture the horan shit in the album shit really like like the Beatles ring shit boy bands basically like creation or shit like was that Golo Sasa because America and being global icons like shit the Ceann Rodí and sin, and then Michael Jackson speaks for himself.
Yeah.
It's
like a crochet.
yeah.
It is crazy. Gurnear in the Beatles 100 Lilin like Jack Leon. Like that like career Alman Saku was Jack Leon agus Dahri Shah and agus muni the year call like
agus Dahri sheets an urchin a Gemini. Like Jack riú did redultry the maid looks different.
Yeah.
So níháin you see a person that's okay, but na gar grigel gigs le cuiisi trí de Gemini like he and dinner vitri the maid ahrú stíle sin.
Crazy.
Agus tá much take goodí ever hain.
Oh.
Drum roll. The Miss Education of Lauren Hill.
Yeah. Absolutely.
So Dirtugur show album at Asian Post Lish like
so and the three albums so Blonde, Voodoo, agus sin Miss Education, it was like three albums that were like really like I know like defining the Mishig Flassos whatever agus bhí mai géisi a ríis leis aniu agus tá se dalí rá nachhfuil se tuilte ag an net sin like bhí si fi trí bhí si ina dhé leanana a bheith aici bhí se ring se tafadar i teach Bob Marley like tan méid sin agus na daoine a dobar ar an album fásta tá like grúpa ceoltar a chuirtar na Soulquarians arthú and it was just based on the daoine seo ar fád like ar nós cineala like na J Dillas agus na Roots agus like na ceoltarí seo a bhaid le impact óhhairhéanú ar hip hop agus mission agus bhí seo more parts than Russian and just really like ring si seo agus níarna si album really nation chuig reach so yeah no tá se ní cheapan gom bheith se argóint andalí le dhéanú nachhfuil se chomáid sa teisiir na bhfuil se chuir go bhfuil se bhrín I think se just
Well they gonna heas an má dúsan seo a kind of crackle sin na gohfuil John Legend ar an recording seo.
Yeah.
Ní ro sé ahananta a chuir beag an option. It was just backing band like unknown pianist bhí sé just really sa cool. Caigro sé ionta óg.
Yeah, bhí like tá na daoine a dobar ar an album sin was like crazy. Like ma arcant fiú like bring si tour like dá an album or agus the opening act bhí was Outcast, Busta Rhymes agus the Roots like
oh my god.
like saoirlí like go tú colleague gig shot agus sin the support of yogas or whatever agus agus tá siad ar fad ar an na listí sin fásta like I dóhhaing na dóile agus yeah I think its album go just an méid sin implatacha ar ceol in the é like ó a gohair hip hop agus soul or sin Tá just yeah dearing go se andalí le rá nach é an album is fair riú actually my hot take the hottest of hot takes at Ogum but yeah I think lads I think mission I think kind of James go sa field in so kind of Jake like it's here
yes mission fin I think cat it bagníos arde
sin do hot take
I think Fleetwood Mac rumors sa céad top 10
no I think cat mo Adele's top 10
James can happen
album sin like tá mu fós like it cost na ceolsin way Adele like waxú Brucey Dortmund a semi-final in Champions League chu a staachsa dressing room héis agus we should like never mind I'll find someone like as we should go mental agus honestly my room cup on the day of the speaker is that so friggin' dressing room I some sin nach chud blair on absolutely blair on
in fairness ní ro se fi
yeah exactly
agus Lee Jig agus sin there we should
set fire to the rain for sin oh man
chasing pavements
yeah gur ma single way my advocate lo
Can I cap tú faoi 1989 Taylor's version de give rock Jake
ní ce ní me gur ar garde bheith gortaí a ríis gus anúir gan ar droród fao téidir ar an bodcuile seo tá coppla cara a gine tá ri gaflaí agus bín siad pissed off goil sin ráte gom so caiime just má bhéal a chuin an dúirte aniu.
I think we're crazy with that's my hot take. I think like
I agree.
Yeah, I think which I crack is I think like nachwich as top 12 is ridiculous.
Yeah, you're doing well, James. My hoop. Shamo hot take tan production is fair an album ella or like an CAD version da an etch and Kinur Taylor's version in production or in Taylor's version size log agus tugann seisiúil get the book done cuachta to ignore any sinna. I think about an album is fair techie, but I think our function and I know Kane Flag around should an version, but I don't think about an version is fair than album.
Well, like it's like top K. You have to go in basically horani ar fad justified. Ach basically mach arguments on the Kane album hope on because it's personal preference on version.
In order to character of the ocean or the Vactini Gary.
Yeah.
Well, like
definitely,
say no, like the Drake that Take Care Ed where I think Scorpion needs your.
No, she can go take care of his fashion albums fair to Drake.
Oh, that see massive.
God knows.
Cups of the rose. Bitches on my old phone.
I should call one and go home.
See, you
lower and sure a gur ceart me hús ní séidir an liste, like sínam gur ceart me Joni Mitchell as Carole King a bhád ní séidir an liste. Action just mo taste. I think gur ceart me Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon a bhád ní séidir an liste not ever fi a hooked. But and then go different. I mean though David Bowie ever fi a cahar le Rise and Falls like Stardust. Sin get an album is fair lumsa. So sin gur ceart me sin a bhád ní séidir. But look, ní glad dig is squisha like a mark and nerd. There's goes the bell curve no him to Jenny artist.
But like less Scorpion like that nice for what? I'm upset. God's plan non-stop. It's pretty hot and heavy with absolute tunage.
I think in this tower in that go a certain definitively go Kendrick Lamar and he's fair on that Drake. That is
hey, Zero Samson the Metro booming Farusha and Rudaluk. BBL baby.
Drizzy.
BBL Drizzy.
I was like free Drake.
And on that note.
On notation as on that high note, you're like James Mitchell.
BBL Jimmy.
No.
BBL Jimmy.
Níl Gary Bay nasci le sin. That's in rud. Sin tadal an pod though.
But you know. My careful anything with BBL so I'd be very flattered because I just got a long back.
Bella bra. I have to give in.
Dream bra lechem agus fad. You're not freaking Colonel guy.
Sin é don James the microphone got reached him or sorry.
No, cean aine don.
Oh sorry, yeah.
The body skits. I mean stuff.
Yeah, we're all good. All right, extra time. Sin é an agra seo dá na seansa go riamh sa fé linn a ríis an seachting seo faoin am seo an chatí seo thugainn bé se mó an agran rih mó breithlá. So by our bheith inta jaaslam in chatting seo thugainn, please. Tá ho sensitive. Tá go le bheith fi seach. You know what I mean? Like so
you don't get doing like roasty and the hue and talking to
I think go waim sin a hand of shocking or those. So I think go major Richard and Agran Bia that was basically at her fastest. So you know, yeah. I think kind of a fag that amichatala. But mudge the man host the Gary Áine no Gary much hain and pod amshire the man host this bar. The major Shansley or Instagram, Shansley or Twitter, like Shansley or YouTube, but the Gary Áine amsh the man hosted that you anywhere or Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok, but the Gary James amshire the man hosted that more flyer tack or Instagram, flyer tack or Twitter, agus flyer tack or TikTok. Because most the game Hey Amsterdam the man hosted them are more Hugh Carr here or Twitter, Hugh Carr here or Instagram, which is Gra, Hugh Carr or TikTok. Ein that like the flog out and this solar chain which just be your best sounds.
just be your best selves agus tugaí aire agus seachtainna áin
James not Josh
yeah because fucking be muchas weekend shit.
I was like there's definitely I'm gonna there's definitely you can't just be jazz
and more on that here's after minute.
Oh my god right but he's also George acting it baby to reach la agan ur don the chance and chat showing salon
Long